Alright, hi guys, I am doing a clothing haul. I'm going to be showing you some things that I plan on doing, like a lookbook or maybe some outfits of the day, like I do my style for my closet. Style for my closet. So the first thing that I got was from Maurice'S, and I got this sundress. I'm really loving dresses right now, and I like to wear dresses in the summertime. So I got this sundress right here. This is like a red burgundy color. Okay, the next thing that I got was this top right here. It's a flowy top, and it looks like this in the back. It's pink with flowers. I'm like really into flowers right now. This dress was actually on sale for $19. I'm sorry. It was originally $14.99. They marked it down to $10.98, and I got it for $7. And I probably won't keep this. This probably will get lost or something. The next dress is this right here, and it is a yellow sundress. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get this stuff. This is a yellow sundress, and it has the spaghetti straps. This was, how much was this? $15.99, and this came from Factory Connection. That shirt came from Factory Connection too. I've been hitting up some sales. What am I doing? I've been hitting up some sales since everything opened back up. I got this Vibe shirt. I really like this. This was $15.99, and I got it for $8. I thought this would be good for working out or just wearing around the house to lounge around or whatever. So I got that. I got this flowy top, another one of those flowy tops from Factory Connection. And this was $13.99. They marked it down to $9.98. I got it for $7. So these are good tops to wear with shorts, capris, tights. I got this top right here. I have something similar to this, and I was like, I bought another one. But this was $15.99, and I got it for $11.98. So another flowy top. I really like these kind of tops. So you will see that in my videos. I got this peplum top, and this one was $14.99. It comes with a little necklace, and I really like this top. It's a mustard color. The next one is this. This was actually from the Dollar General, and it was $1, and I was like, I could wear this with some tights, I could just wear this around the house or whatever. It was $1, so I picked it up. I got this romper from Rue 21, and it was, I'm sorry about the beeping. I cannot stand smoke detector beeping videos, but my husband is not here right now. $19.99, this little romper, really cute. I've already tried it on. I worked out consistently in June, and I went shopping, and I was so excited. I was like, oh my goodness, my work has paid off. Okay, the next one is this off-the-shoulder dress, and I would probably wear this with some capris or some jeans, like a tunic or however you say it. And this was $19.99, and it comes with a little brown belt, but the belt is upstairs in my room. I got this right here, this burgundy blouse, and it was $13.99. They marked it down to $9.98, and I got it for $3.50. Factory Connection. And then this last dress, this is from Target, and I need a hanger. I don't know if it's gonna hang up, but I'm gonna hang it up and show you guys what it looks like if I have a hanger. this right here, hold it up like this. Ooh. I've been wearing these a lot lately. These are the off the shoulder, one shoulder dress. If you follow me on Instagram, you see my blue dress. It's kind of similar to this, but this is a red one shoulder off dress. So I got these dresses and these blouses and that romper, and trying to get this back on here. I got these shoes right here for $10, and these are from Shoe Sensation, and I had these in my one of my Rue 21 summer outfits. So that is my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this clothing haul. Stay tuned for more hauls, more videos, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!